All right, these will be the marketplace elevators at IKEA in Centennial, Colorado. I think this lantern works. Yep. We have more huge Minnesota elevators. Get cab view. That was lovely. Alright, we'll go back up to you. I'm only going to take one round trip on these. Door close works. You can hear the other one going up, so let's hear the motor on this one. One more round trip because that was a nice motor. Door close works. These things are huge. 10,000 pound capacity on this one as well. The other one just got downstairs. Innovation Universal. Let's start the motor with the doors closed. Come on. Any day now. There it goes. 3, 2, 1. That was a nice motor. Alright, I'm gonna end up here. Alright, there it goes. There are two, but I'm sure the other one's exactly the same. There it goes. And that'll be it.